In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use PowerPoint as a screen recorder. Yes, you don't need any extra software or third-party apps. If you already have Microsoft PowerPoint installed on your computer, you can start recording your screen right away. This is perfect for creating tutorials, demonstrations, training videos, or even quick walkthroughs for work or school. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can open a new blank presentation or use an existing one. It really doesn't matter because the screen recording feature works the same way in any presentation. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains different options for adding content, like images, videos, shapes, and more. In this section, look toward the right-hand side, where you'll find the Media group. Inside the Media group, click on Screen Recording. As soon as you click it, your PowerPoint window will minimize, and a small screen recorder toolbar will appear at the top of your screen. Now, you need to choose the area of your screen that you want to record. On the screen recorder toolbar, click on Select Area. Your screen will slightly dim, and your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag your mouse to select the specific area you want to record. You can choose the entire screen or just a specific window or section. Simply drag and drop over the area you need. After selecting the area, you're ready to start recording. On the toolbar, click the Record button. There will be a short countdown, and then the recording will begin. Now perform the required actions on your screen. This could be demonstrating a website, showing how to use software, walking through a document, or anything else you need to capture. Everything happening inside the selected area will be recorded. If at any point you don't see the toolbar while recording, move your mouse to the top of the screen. The screen recorder toolbar will reappear. This is helpful when you're ready to stop the recording. Once you're finished recording, move your mouse to the top to bring the toolbar back if it's hidden, and then click the Stop button. Immediately after you click Stop, PowerPoint will automatically insert the recorded video directly into your current slide. You'll now see the video embedded in the slide workspace. If the video looks too large or too small, you can click and drag the corners to resize it. If needed, scroll within the slide workspace to adjust your view and position the video exactly where you want it. From here, you can play the video to preview it, trim it using the video format or playback tabs, or even save the entire presentation as a video file. To export it as a separate video, simply go to File, then Export, and choose Create a Video. And that's how you use PowerPoint as a screen recorder. It's quick, built-in, and incredibly convenient when you don't want to install additional software. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.